Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create t-shirt mockups in Canva. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. So you've been looking for how you can create t-shirt mockups. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can go about it. Now, as you can see, this is a t-shirt mockup using our channel's logo on this shirt with this character here. Now, I can show you how you can go about doing this with your own logo or your own design and creating a mockup or a simple mockup of your own accord. All right, so to get started with this, just head over to canva.com. Once you're on canva.com, make sure you have an account on Canva. If you do not have an account, simply create one. Now, once you're here, click on the create icon at the top left, and then go ahead and simply search at the top for logo. Now, go ahead and click on logo t-shirt. This would take you to a blank page with a blank canvas for you to design on. Now, using a t-shirt or a logo t-shirt from Canva would automatically provide you with templates, both the paid option and the free option for your designs. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and select an option that suits you. So you could go with any option. Let's go with this, and you would find this design on your canvas. Now, all you need to do here is quite simple. You can now go ahead and design this image into your liking. You could design it into what you like. You could change the text. You could change the font size, the font color. You could also adjust the icons or the images that are attached to the design. Now, once you've taken note of everything here, let's go ahead and change this color. Let's put something like this here. And now this design is more unique. And instead of flower garden, we can now double click on it and change it into something like, you can now have it say something like this. And now all you need to do is go ahead and click on share at the top right and click on download. Now, once you've downloaded this file, just click on download. It's going to download as a PNG. Once you've downloaded it, just simply scroll to where we find apps. So click on the apps menu here, and then under discover, scroll till you find what we call mockups. But now before this, go over to uploads and click on upload, and then click on upload file and simply upload the file we had just downloaded, which is this. And then while the file is downloading, head over to the app section at the bottom of your screen here, and then scroll from the top of discover and simply select mockups. Click on mockups and now select the mockup you would like to use. You could find mockups for smartphones, prints, and apparels. Let's go ahead and click on see all. And now you can now select a mockup you would like to use. So we could go with a mockup of a hoodie. So go ahead and click on this mockup. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to appear on your design. So let's just go ahead and remove this design. You could simply remove this design or go ahead and create a new page. That's a blank page, and turn the canvas white instead of black. So we could have a white backdrop here, and then just hold and drag the design we want to use onto this new page, and then simply enlarging it. So go ahead and enlarging the design, and then all you need to do for this part here that shows a picture, head over to your uploads again, scroll till you find uploads, click on upload, select this, and it's going to appear on your screen. And now simply fit it into your mockup. It's going to appear on your mockup, and all you need to do now is just simply enlarging your mockup again. And now with the design applied, just simply enlarging it to fit into this canvas. And now you can now click on the design. Let's go ahead and click on it and then click on edit. And then it's going to show you the design. So you can either fit it into the shape, or you could fill it so it fills out the mockup. And then you could work on the alignment. You could work on the flip, that you could flip it vertically, or you could flip it horizontally. That's this particular design. You could flip it vertically or horizontally. And then you can also change the color of the hoodie. As you can see, it's set to white. So we can now set it to dark gray, or we could set it to pure black. So let's set it to black and then click on apply changes. And boom, we have a completely black hoodie with a flipped design. As you can see, we flipped the design for it. You can see the design is flipped. So guys, once you're done with your mockup designs, you could simply click on share at the top right corner and simply download this either as a PNG to list on your Shopify or any digital store you own, or have access to. You could even include it in your list of products on your YouTube channel. If you own a YouTube channel, you could include it there and just simply sell your stuff. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.